Everyone thinks this twisted metal fortress was inspired by the Mississippi River below it. Dead wrong. Frank Gehry's Weisman Art Museum looks like liquid mercury frozen mid-splash. But here's the twist. The shimmering beast clinging to the University of Minnesota campus, it's actually modeled after Tibetan mountain monasteries. Think about it. Ancient stone temples, perched on impossible cliffs, fortress-like and bold. So Gehry took that same dramatic energy and wrapped it in a stainless steel. The result? A building that literally looks like it's defying gravity over the riverbank. But wait, there's more. This wasn't just any project for Gehry. This was his very first art museum, ever. The Weisman became his testing grounds, like a rough draft for the Guggenheim Bilbao or the Disney Opera House. But here's what blows my mind. Those wild swooping curves you see outside, they hide perfectly flat white walls inside. Genius move. All that chaos serves the art, not the other way around. And that mirror-bright finish everyone photographs? Gehry almost didn't do it. Then his own son told him, "Dad, go for it. I like the shiny one." Walk around the campus side and squint. Those metal panels are shaped like waterfalls, like fish, like nature in steel. Sometimes the most radical buildings come from the most ancient inspirations. Who knew monks could be so metal?